Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your loading issues in your Adobe Acrobat Reader in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, open the application. I have my Acrobat here. Click on this icon menu on the top left corner and then go to Preferences. You can also hit Control K on your keyboard and this will open up. Go to General, and we have two options. Make sure to disable or uncheck these. Show online storage when opening files. Show online storage when saving files. Make sure both are unchecked or disabled. Then head over to Page Display. Here, use Page Cache uncheck. Scroll down. You will look for Security Enhanced. Click on it. Then disable this. Enable protected mode at startup. Once done, make sure to save and click on OK. And if that still doesn't work, but in most cases, most users out there, these troubleshooting steps work for them. You can go to the menu over here as your second option and then click on Help. Here, you will find the option Repair Installation. So basically, it will just download and reinstall the application and fix any problems there. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.